Good morning, everybody. My name's Etienne and welcome to the first video of 2022. I've not uploaded a video since August last year, so that's been a while. I've filmed videos, I've edited videos, and I've not uploaded any videos. Bunch of things, just so much on my plate. Finding our feet here at the Africa Centre for Holistic Management, and I think we've settled in nicely now. So there wasn't really any real content to make stuff of. We've started a little bit of a garden around our home, but the lay of the land makes it really difficult. And one of my fundamental roles at the centre is sort of food production would be the general term for it, but it's sort of resiliency. What we've learnt at the centre with COVID is that we need to be incredibly resilient and self-reliant off the land ourselves. So that's something that I'm busy with. So re-establishing a vegetable garden is high on priority. So I'm not going to be growing as many vegetables around my house. There's no need for it. We'll have a central place for that. What I'll be doing around my place is just a few things that we need and some speciality items. So I'm not focusing on that, but what we are focusing on a lot is sort of our own resiliency. And so the next couple of videos will be showing you what we're up to in terms of that. Yvonne, what's that? The concrete thing.
Pizza oven.
It's the base of a pizza oven. So that's a project in itself, which I'm busy filming and recording. The drum is one component of a biodigester for methane. And with the amount of methane coming out of the rear end of a mombi, there has to be a way to capture it. So I've been researching that, and that's what the biodigester is. We are going to be creating our own methane. Please put those bottles back. So those are two projects on the go. I've finally completed my burn barrel, and it's working really nice. Now I'm just going to start finalizing that, really in a nice mechanism to burn our rubbish. So that's everything on the go. We're excited, and the dog is barking, and I'm curious what it is. Okay, so the dog wasn't barking at anything specific. So that gives you a bit of a roundup of what we're up to. Like I said, this video is just a sort of an update since August. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Plenty more coming in 2022. Cheers. Bye.